Hey friends, are you thinking about starting your career in IT or cloud computing but not sure where to begin? Let me tell you some unique offerings of the Vinsys skill development program that will help you stand out in the competitive landscape. Vinsys is on a mission to empower marginalized communities through education and sustainable development. We aim to help underemployed and unemployed individuals gain the right skills for in-demand cloud computing jobs through our 12-week training program. Well, if you're an unemployed STEM graduate, the skill development program is designed for you. This training equips participants with essential in-demand IT skills and knowledge to confidently re-enter the workforce. No, the program is entirely free. It is 100% funded, meaning you can focus on learning and preparing for a new career path without any financial burden. Absolutely. The program is accessible to everyone, regardless of their technology background. The training starts with the basics, ensuring that even beginners can grasp the concept and build a strong foundation in cloud computing. This makes it a perfect opportunity for aspiring professionals from non-technical fields to enter the tech world. This program equips participants to gain free access to AWS cloud skills and develop expertise aligned with AWS certification standards. They will also receive instructor-led, real-world scenario-based learning and comprehensive coursework and choose any learning mode like a classroom or online at their convenience. The training covers a range of technical and behavioral skills. On the technical side, learners will gain knowledge about cloud computing, IT skills, various programming languages, and thorough preparation for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification. Alongside, the program also focuses on essential behavioral and mindset skills, including effective communication, problem solving, teamwork, and time management, ensuring well-rounded professional training. Upon completion of the training, learners will receive personalized support from the training support team to help them explore job opportunities that align with their newly acquired skills. The team will assist you in connecting with potential employers, creating impressive CVs, and preparing for interviews. So, become a part of Vinsys Foundation CSR activity and achieve a brighter professional career in AWS. Speak to our experts to know more about the AWS Restart program.